In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate the same character in Leonardo AI step by step so you can keep the face, features, and overall identity consistent across different scenes. This is incredibly useful if you're creating a brand mascot, a story character, social media content, or just want your AI images to look like the same person every single time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Leonardo.ai, then log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll want to choose the correct workspace for what you're creating. Leonardo AI may offer different generation areas depending on whether you want to make images or video content. So make sure you select the image generation workspace if your goal is to keep a character consistent in still images. Now look for the prompt box because this is where the magic happens. Next to that prompt area, you should see an option called Image Guidance. Go ahead and click on that. This feature is important because it allows Leonardo AI to use a reference image as a guide for the new generation instead of creating a completely unrelated character from scratch. After that, open the settings menu and choose Image Reference. This tells the system that you want the uploaded image to act as the visual reference for your character. In other words, Leonardo AI will try to preserve the face, style, and identity from the image you provide, which is exactly what you need if you want the same character to appear in different scenes. Next, upload your master image. This should be a clear, well-lit photo or render where the facial features are easy to see. The better your reference image is, the more consistent your results will be. Try to use an image with a front-facing angle, sharp details, and good lighting because blurry or low-quality images can make it harder for the AI to recognize the character properly. Once your reference image is uploaded, it's time to write your prompt. This part is really important. You want to describe the new scene, pose, outfit, environment, or action you want, but you also need to keep the character itself stable. So make sure your prompt clearly says to change only the surroundings, not the character's base traits. That means you can ask for a different background, a different location, or a different pose, while still keeping the same facial structure, hairstyle, and core identity. For example, you might prompt for the character to be standing in a futuristic city, or walking through a forest, or sitting in a studio setting. But the key is to keep the character description consistent. If you keep changing the traits too much, Leonardo AI may start generating a different person instead of the same one. So be specific and always reinforce the idea that the character should stay the same. Now that everything is set up, click Generate and let Leonardo AI render the image. Depending on your settings and the strength of your reference, the result should closely match your original character while placing them into the new scene you described. If the first result isn't perfect, don't worry. You can refine the prompt, adjust the reference image, or try a stronger and clearer master image until you get the consistency you want. A really useful tip here is to keep one strong master image saved for your character and reuse it whenever you want to generate new scenes. That way, you build a consistent visual identity over time instead of starting over with a new character each time. This is especially helpful for creators making comics, AI story videos, product mascots, or content series that need a recognizable face. And that's it. That's how you generate the same character in Leonardo AI using image guidance and image reference. Once you get the hang of it, the process becomes much easier and you'll be able to create consistent characters for all kinds of projects. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.